Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your analytics with Google Analytics step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the property you want to protect. Navigate to the Admin tab located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the Property column, click on User Management. Here, you will see a list of users who currently have access to your property. Review the existing user permissions carefully. To remove a user, click on the trash icon next to their name. To add a new user, click on the plus button at the top right corner. Enter the email address of the new user you want to add. Choose the permissions you want this user to have. Consider using Read and Analyze for basic access. Select Edit Permissions with caution to prevent unauthorized changes. After setting the permissions, click the Add button. Next, consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Go to the Admin tab again, then select Account Settings. Enable two-step verification for an extra layer of protection. Make sure all users are aware of this additional step. Now, return to the Admin tab and navigate to Data Retention. Adjust the data retention settings. Choose a retention period that balances your need for data with privacy concerns. Finally, regularly review user permissions and access logs. Establish a routine check every few months to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you can protect your Google Analytics account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.